Bandi. Bandile. Bandile. Bandile.
Yeah.
Dog.
What's wrong?
Spotify, nguthola pla. Because I can't use YouTube. In.
There's a problem.
In.
You see my Igneous Spotify one. Yazi anything? Awusasebenzi kimi.
Phoma nje ngizokwenza njani mina ngoba ngifuna ukula kuba ku YouTube. No, I can just open another tab. It's fine. Bye-bye.
Leyo nto ngibe nenkinga izolaya ukuthi ngiyakuncisha.
Screw you.
Khokho 70 rand awukho pho.
Screw you. Ngeke nje khokho 7 rand for music.
Sensitivity won't go away on its own. Treating sensitivity is a simple fix. Sensodyne.
What up, everybody? It's your boy, the Financial Liberator, 2khulu. We're back at it again. We're streaming live. I want to introduce y'all to the 2khulu platform, where we do everything that has to do with wealth. We have to do with everything that has to do with entertainment, having fun. We like having fun while we making money. Let's enjoy the fruits of our labor and just stay here and let me show y'all. It's your boy here, 2khulu. We're back at it again. We're live on all streams, baby. Stay tuned and stay in, because today we're going to be trading the 714 method, and we're also going to be playing some nice background music. And today is Tips Thursday. We're going to be doing everything to help y'all get your money right, help y'all get your mentality right. No further ado, let's jump into it, baby boys. And I'm great to have y'all here, fellow rock stars, because y'all rock and y'all are stars, baby. Let's get into it, boy. Okay, we gotta mark out our highs and our entries for the day before we start entering and start trading. Okay, let's get into it. We're playing some Kelvin Momo. Siyabonga. We're thankful to God for everything that we have, and may many more things come and find us. Wealth, love, success, and everything that we wish in our heart's desires. Walimboza, walimboza ihlazo lami. Ucela ukubonga. No further ado, let's get into it straight, beeps. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we just marked our vertical line for the trade, and then we mark our opening price for the trade also. Anyone who wants to learn how to trade the 714 method, W Mashaya in the chat. We've made a lot of money using the strategy, and after using it, it made me a lot of money. I gained my confidence in strategy and in trading, and basically trading as a whole. It really helped me to become the person that I am today in trading. I tried out a lot of strategies. I tried a lot of things, and some of them worked, some of them didn't work. He actually even inspired me, Mashaya, the creator of the 714 method to actually develop my own strategy, and I trade both strategies, my strategy and his strategy. My strategy is the spear trading strategy. It kind of helps me to do long-term scaling, and his strategy, I use it for scaling. It's very good for you if you have issues with waiting, if you have issues with not knowing how the markets move, because the rules are very simple and straight to the point, and they are really designed to kind of help you get your foot into the market, so understand how it moves and how it works. Go to the 714 official page on YouTube to get the 714 method. And also on TikTok, you'll find them. Also on Facebook, you'll find them. Shout out W Mashaya in the chat, people. One of the greatest traders of our time. I know that shit there. Let's get into it. No further or less. Okay, we just finished marking our price at 1 o'clock. This is the candle we marked. The opening candle 1 o'clock. This is the opening price at 1 o'clock. And basically, how he kind of lets you understand why you do those two things. You mark the opening, and you also mark the opening candle at 1 o'clock, and you also mark the price and the price opening of the candle at 1 o'clock is this here. It kind of helps you to know a price for entry. At a store, when you go buy something, everything has a price. You know that I buy bread maybe at 20 Rand, I buy this at 30 Rand, I buy this at 40 Rand. And that's what the strategy kind of helps you to also develop. It is that thing there. When you are trading, you're not just trading willy-nilly out of just price action. You are also just trading knowing where you want to enter for buy, where you want to enter for sell. It kind of helps you to take out all the noise from the markets. It is a real good strategy, people. I do not want to lie. You can use it. It has made me a lot of money this year, and I've been very profitable due to it. And also, the strategy alone does not guarantee profits. Strategy and psychology. 90% of trading is psychology, and I didn't understand that at the beginning. I understand it now, and the reason that made me understand it is because I would self-sabotage myself in trades because I didn't see or didn't think the right way, and that has helped me to kind of cut off all the noise and cut off all the issues that have plagued me in trading by focusing on my psychology. Because strategies, each strategy has an edge, each strategy has a winning, whether it's CT, it's what ICT, whether it's the 714 method, whether the spear trading method, they all have an edge. The problem is you, the person behind the charts. You are the one that executes, you the one that sets prices, you the one that does everything. And if you are failing to be able to control your emotions when you are losing, you're going to revenge trade. When you're failing to control your emotions when you're losing, you're going to over leverage. When you're failing to control yourself in the market, you are at the will of the market. The market will blow you and blow your account. And I really loved it. It was really simple. So those are my tips and tricks to kind of help you all understand psychology. But really what trading is a reflection of you. If you doubt yourself in the market, you will cut your losses early. If you doubt yourself in the market, you will fail because you don't have self-assurity. You need to have that level of conviction in your mind and in your brain that you know that things are gonna work out. And even if you lose a trade, it doesn't mean you are a losing trader, you are a blowing trader. It just means the probability of you hitting that trade wasn't in your favor, and simple as that. But it's hard to do that when it's attached to money, because money is our form of life. Money is what we use to buy things, we use to have a beautiful lifestyle and a stable lifestyle. It's what we use to grow yourself and build yourself as a person. So if you gain a lot of value from seeing money in your account grow, you will not be a successful trader, because trading comes with losses. It is part of the business. No business doesn't have losses, whether it's Spar, whether it's ShopRite, whether it is a spaza shop in near your area. They all occur losses. The difference here is one thing: the loss that you occurred in the market, you need to be able to determine the reason behind it, not try to change it, determine it. So that helps you to understand your psychology as a trader in total and in full. So what I can suggest for you: take a small account, find that strategy that you have been using, first test it, build your confidence in the markets, back test it in the markets, and then enter. The moment you start trading in a live account, since it is attached to you, it is attached to real capital, you will see the darkness of your shortcomings in the markets and in yourself as a trader. Not only as a trader, but also as a person. If you don't like losing and you hate losing, trading is not for you. But if you're willing to work on that skill of learning how to lose well, they say in sports, it's sportsmanship. Being able to take your L and face it and know that it doesn't mean that you are lost in life. It doesn't mean that you're nothing in life. It just means one simple thing: the trade was not in your favor. That's it. And that's the tips and tricks I can suggest to you, but we're going to be dishing out more as time goes on during the stream to kind of help y'all. And you're going to see also the mistakes that I do, because I'm not also perfect. I am learning and I'm developing myself and my skill as a trader. So at the end of the day, I could be able to manage huge trades. I could be able to manage losses. I could be able to take L's in life and not let determine my self-worth as a person. Another tip I'm going to give you: you can't trade alone. When I mean you can't trade alone, I don't mean you need people to help you to start trading. No. You need to trade with something. Whether that's God, whether that's Allah, whether that's your ancestors, whether it's you need a higher power to kind of help you and push through the pains of trading. Also, not only in trading but also in life, one of my greatest allies is God, is my ancestors, is my mindset. It is me. No one is here to save you. No trading strategy will make you profitable. You make yourself profitable. You save yourself. Stop wishing for savior grace, for someone to kind of help you and save you from all the issues and turmoils that you're facing in life. You got to take accountability and look at yourself. The reason you are where you are is A, because of you, or two, you need to learn lessons that will sharpen you so you could become better. Iron sharpens iron. And the best iron you can sharpen yourself with is God, because He will teach you and help you see where your shortcomings are and how to fix them. And then it takes you, your mindset, your ability to proceed and over your losses, over your failures, and become better and choose to be a better person and a better human. And that's it, peeps. Okay, let's get into the charts again. We are about to mark our entries. We're about to mark areas of support and resistance. They just kind of help. They kind of help me to gauge the market, to be able to see where I can probably enter, or if the trade has gone out of my it's out of my probability. And they kind of help me to determine areas of supply and demand, where if price does go in and tap into those areas, I might be looking for a buy or looking for a sell. If it closes above, it's a confirmation with the trend. Use supports and resistance demand zones as a way as a confirmation. The number one confirmation in the charts, it is trend, it is price action, and that's a fact. That's a fact, people. Okay, let's see what song we're gonna play next. Gaming. Okay, Maya Maya, also done by Kelvin Momo. No Babalwa M. Okay, let's jump back into the charts. Okay, these are my areas of support and resistance which I've marked out, and the reason why I've marked these areas out, it's where I see price in these areas where I have marked, not just willy-nilly. It's because of what I see in price action. When price action reaches these areas, look at here at the top, for example, price reverses. It spits out dojis and hammers, showing that trend is about to reverse. Not only that, looking at it, let's go to the higher time frame more so I can show you. Let's jump into the 4 hour. As y'all can see, even in the 4 hour, hey, what did I just do? I think I just deleted an indicator. I'm sorry, guys. I tapped the wrong thing. Okay, it's 2.0. Yeah. I gotta go redo it again. Let's just go redo the whole process again. There's nothing wrong with it. We're trading the 714 method. We are looking for our price at 1 o'clock. And the candle that price opened at 1 o'clock, this is the candle. Okay, let's just go mark that candle with the horizontal line. Okay, after marking that candle, we are going to mark the opening price to kind of help us determine price action. Okay, and then after that we're going to go to mark our areas of support and resistance. Before we do that, we're going to just jump into the daily time frame. Looking at the daily time frame, what is the overall trend? As we can see, market is selling. Price is moving lower. It's creating lower lows and lower highs, as y'all can see. Let's just redo this. Okay. Okay, as I can see, price is trending lower. It's failing to break this area of support and resistance. Price action, when it comes to here, it usually goes down. Okay, we're then going to jump on to the 4 hour. Now we're doing a top-down analysis. As we look at the market, we're looking at it. Okay, price also on the 4 hour, it is trending higher, but it hasn't broke this area here. Let me just mark it. It hasn't broke this area here, right here. You understand? So what I'm trying to show you is when price reaches here, for how many days? Look, it reaches here, it fails to break, it goes down. It reaches here, it fails to break, it goes down. It reaches here, it fails to break, it goes down. And that kind of shows you what I'm trying to show y'all in terms of support and resistance in the market. Okay, then let's jump into the let's just delete this. Okay, then let's jump into the 1 hour. This is called the top-down analysis. You start from the higher time frames, you go to the lower time frames to kind of look for an entry based off the trend that you saw in the 1 hour, in the higher time frames. Okay, we're looking at it here. What are we seeing? We're seeing that price opened up price opened, went higher, failed to break this area of support and resistance. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna mark that area. We're gonna mark this area here, and the aim is to have as many wicks as possible touching that area. Okay, looking at the trend is selling. As you can see, price just went below the 200 EMA. It also went below the 50th EMA. Those are very two important indicators, because even institutions use them. It kind of helps you determine the overall trend. Okay, looking at it from here on the 30 minutes, when we jump into the 30 minutes, we're trying to look for an entry. Looking at the 30 minutes, we're looking at the momentum of the market. Okay, as we can see, price came here, reversed, and went down, and it broke this area of structure and is closing. It full candle closed below this area. We are going to mark that area also. And the reason we're going to mark this area, it is an area where we might be interested in to maybe take a trend or to look out for as for price action reaches it, because we can see when price reaches here, it spits out dojis and hammers, just that the buying momentum was higher than the selling momentum. And what happened? Price went higher and liquidated the zone. After failing to break the zone for several hours, it went down, moving on downwards. And then we're also going to jump into the 5 minutes. We're going to jump into the 15 minutes. Now, what we're looking for in the 15 minutes is also a trend. Overall, the momentum trend of the trade. Okay, let's just jump into the 15 minutes. As you can see in the 15 minutes, it is also showing us the price has oversold, looking at the RSI. Looking also at other indicators showing us the price is sold, looking at the 200 EMA, looking at the 50 EMA, looking at also how the structure of the market is presenting itself right now. It is a huge sell. Don't forget, we went into the daily time frame, we saw the price is selling. We saw that the overall trend is low. We went into the 1 hour time frame. We looked for structure in the 1 hour time frame, and what we saw is when we got into the 1 hour time frame is that price was also selling. We then moved into the 50-minute time frame. We looked for areas of demand and supply. Those are areas when price reached, it reacts off those areas of price. We then jumped into the 15-minute time frame. Now we're looking for the momentum of the market. When we jump into the 15 minutes of the 15-minute time frame, we are looking and we're seeing that price is selling and momentum is hugely on the downward side for a sell. Okay, we then also jump into the 5 minutes, and as we jump into the 5 minutes, this is where we look for entries. These are our entries at the market. This is where we look for entries for either a buy or a sell, determined by the higher time frame. And the 1 minute, I just use it to see volatility in the markets with a bias of the higher time frames. And looking at current price, the volatility of the market is a sell. As you can see, price goes higher, it fails to break the 50th RSI, showing that price is really selling today. We're looking for sells. Long-term trend, we're looking for what? Sells. Okay. Regardless if the price has been overbought or oversold, an RSI is a confirmation. The EMA is a confirmation. Price action is a confirmation. Areas of support and resistance are confirmations to kind of help you determine where to enter in the market when trend is trending lower or trending higher. And how do we see trend? We look at the higher time frames, we look at the macroeconomic indicators. That might be the news, that might be anything that kind of helps us to determine the price. We look at the economy, we look at all those things to kind of help us gauge where or determine the direction of the market. Okay. We're 23 minutes into our analysis. We just have to wait up until 2 o'clock on the dot, and then either we buy or we sell. I'm gonna give you my long-term bias. My long-term bias is that price is gonna continue to sell, and the reason that I'm saying that is because looking at the higher time frames, price has continued to sell lower and lower and lower. Not only that, there's momentum right here. When on Monday, when price opened, it gapped up higher. And what usually happens in the charts is this here. On Monday, if price bought, on Tuesday it's gonna probably consolidate, and then on Thursday on Wednesday it's gonna probably create or fake out trend, and then on Thursday and Friday it's going to liquidate and go back to the entry. That kind of helps you. The market's ebbs and flows. That's cycles of the market. Just like in business and in life, everything has cycles. You have a booming cycle, you have a recession, and you have all these indicators to kind of show you that the market is buying or selling, just like in business and in life, as I said. Okay. Right now we're listening to Sam Deep. I love his music, bruh. This album here, shout out to Sam Deep, bruh. Go listen to his music, go to listen to his album. He's more of a kwaito pianoist, dog, and it's real good, dog. I love his music. Love it, dog. It's real good. Okay. As we have done our analysis and we're just waiting for our prize, I'm going to show y'all. Excuse me, I think there's a call coming. Peeps, I got disturbed by the call that I just took. Okay. Where Scared that. Woody got it with there. Okay, people. Let's another tip I'd like to share with y'all is what I've really learned is a tip of winning. You see, after losing a lot of money in the markets, not only markets, in relationships and in life, I usually say this: I have learned to lose with grace. I have learned to let go in life with grace. That helps me. Why am I saying I wanted to give you a tip of winning? When you are winning, when your trade is up, and I'm still learning the skill, it is do not self-sabotage yourself. The moment you self-sabotage yourself, you are digging yourself into a bigger hole. Learn to take a loss, internalize it. When I mean internalize it, I am meaning go deep down into your soul, into your subconscious, and find out why did I lose, and how can in the future can I learn to be better when a situation like this comes to me, or whenever I encounter loss or anything like that there. And the psychology of winning is this: you gotta be good at losing as much as you are good at winning. Everyone is a great person, or it's easy to be a good human being or be a good person when you are winning, not when you are losing. Learning to lose with grace helps you. It helps you to be able to understand that even when things are not going your way, that it's just a phase. It's a lesson, it's an indicator, it's data, it's information that you should take in order to kind of help you determine what should I change, what can I do, taking accountability for your actions. And that's really, really, really important. Okay, looking at it right now, price is buying on the lower time frames. On the higher time frames, it is still a sell. And yeah, we're gonna be looking for the entry in about 30 minutes. if not earlier. We have basically two options. Okay, price is busy consolidating this area. This is what I like seeing about price. I like to see price not consolidate, either move higher or move lower. And sometimes I try to trade consolidations, but I can advise you, don't trade consolidations. Wait for confirmations before you enter into a consolidation. The reason why I'm saying that, a consolidation, it creates a lot of fake outs. It creates a lot of noise. And an unskilled trader, or someone who's learning how to trade, and if they don't know how to see or balance that information or be able to walk away, they will fail to understand that price is consolidating at that area because of 1A, it is failing to break that area, or B, it is gathering enough liquidity so that when it does break, it has enough momentum to go higher, to go buy, to go sell, to be able to go do whatever the price wants to do at that current moment. Putting the charts or the markets at a equilibrium. We need consolidations as much as we need breaks in structure, as much as we need trend, because consolidations are also market data. And the reason why I'm saying that don't trade consolidations, and why I'm also learning to stop trading consolidations, is because at the market, when it consolidates, it fakes out. It gives you unclear trends, unclear confirmations. And for example, let me just jump into here. Look at this here. When we look at price in this area here, we would clearly think that price is buying. It's failing to break this area. It is going higher and higher, and the MAs at that time, currently, they were crossing for a buy. Looking at even the 50 EMA, price is above it, bro. It is trending higher and higher. But the problem with the consolidation, as you can see, it was just here to grab liquidity. After it grabbed enough liquidity in this area, what did price do? It sold, bro. It sold the hell out of it. And that's the key importance of learning to trade consolidations and not trading consolidations. To trade a consolidation, you have to be patient. Very patient. Abebuza nginjani mina vele ngihleke. I love the song, bruh. I love the song. It's so nice. Let me just turn the volume up a little. Hey. W Kelvin Momo, W Babala Dog, and the songs that they've given us is Babal. No. The songs that they've given us, dog, the Summers, Kelvin Momo Summers, if you know, I'm a Sunday Chillers, dog. He's made good music. He's a great producer. He's a great DJ, and I love his music, bro. I love it to death. It is so amazing. It is so clean. Mina ngihlali ngehlanyuka ngifuni mali uhlupheka mina ngikuthandi. Yo, no one wants to be broke, people. No one wants to be broke. Sing it. It's mina ngihlali ngehlanyuka ngifuni mali uhlupheka mina ngikuthandi. Asifuna uhlupheka. We don't like being brokies. Mabebuza nginjani mina vele ngihleke. Ngiyacela mina soze ngiphele, ngiyophela ngiyobe ngiqeda uba. Mabebuza nginjani mina vele ngihleke. I think it's not Sam-Keep. Sorry. Made a mistake, it's not Sam-Keep, bro. Pele. Hey, it's Mdu. Oh, bro. He's a great ass DJ, dog. Love his music. Pele. Let's just sit on the charts and see and analyze how things are going. Okay. Price wants to buy, but we're not sure yet because it hasn't given us that full confirmation. We're just waiting for that confirmation to give us a buy to go higher. Okay. One of my tips and tricks that has really helped me to be profitable, and it took a lot out of me, it is understanding that losses are part of the game. Why am I saying that? It's because we are programmed to fear failure. You see how your brain works, man. Your brain is always trying to protect you from things that are gonna hurt you. It's always trying to protect you from things that might damage it. So what we have evolution through the years and millions of years as humans, we have learned the skill of being able to analyze our environments and make a decision that will not make us feel pain. But that's not how life is. In life, you find yourself in the areas where you feel most destroyed, in the areas where you feel most vulnerable. Those are the areas of where you need to learn how to become a better person. As I said, it's easy to be a good person when you're winning. It's hard to stay good and loyal and faithful to God when you're losing. And the skill I've learned to lose in grace has really helped me. It has helped me mentally, man. It has helped me spiritually, man. Learning to lose is an art form, man. And the moment you learn how to lose, the moment you learn how to become better than you were yesterday, despite of the losses, despite of what the world is showing you, despite of what the people around you are telling you, you become a better person. You become someone that losses are going to be able to bounce off you, bro. And it has really helped me and shaped me to the man that I am today. Because if I could tell you how many times I've lost in my life and the things that I've lost in my life, you'd be like, why are you still so vigorous and eager to conquer, to build, to create? It's because I've learned to lose it with grace. I don't let losses determine me. I don't let my losses determine the altitude in life that I'm about to hit. I take them, as I told you, as data, as information. That information helps determine me or helps project me to, when I come out of that loss, to be a better person. And it's very vital and important in life and in trading when you are losing to learn how to lose. It is a skill that takes time, because in order for you to work on that skill of losing and doubting things, you need to be able to take L's, and you cannot learn how to lose when you're winning. God tests your faith the most in those times, and there's a reason why He uses those moments. It is a filter of life. Those who are scared of losing, those who are scared of taking L, scared of being laughed at, scared of being a pariah, a social pariah, those are the people that never truly develop and become something great in life, because they let those circumstances stop them. But if you push through and you work on yourself, it's not only a confirmation to you, it's a confirmation to God, to be like, this child of mine really, really wants this. Even all the obstacles I place in his life and all those issues, when I tell the devil to go test him, he never loses faith. Even when he loses faith, he regains it. Even when he doubts himself, he, end of the day, he self-assures himself. He finds surety in himself. And that's really, 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 really good, bruh. Not only being good, it is really, something that you need to learn to overcome the barriers, to overcome the relationships, to overcome your failures. You also learn to forgive yourself in the process. You see, not forgiving yourself is an issue. The moment you don't forgive yourself, you are carrying that loss, and I've done it countless of times. In fact, I did it yesterday on the charts. I cut off a trade early than it was supposed to because I feared the loss. I was carrying the loss of yesterday. I was carrying the loss of analyzing the market, placing a trade and not things going my way. And when it was time for God to bless me, I self-sabotaged myself because I was carrying losses. I hadn't forgiven myself for the errors that I did when I was trading, being impatient, areas that I did when I was trading, not wanting to cut off a loss before it ate my profits. And that day gave me more information, not only information but data about myself and what I want and what I'd like to see. And I use the information that I got as data to be able to be like, dog, just let your trade run. If it goes down and hits your stop loss or breaks your termination zone area, where you said if you see price enter into this zone here, you like to terminate the trade. It helps you to determine. So from taking a loss and cutting my trade off early, is that I should be okay with just setting my trades and letting them run, and then letting God handle the rest, and letting the markets handle the rest. So take this and apply it into your life. You might not be where you want to be. You might not be earning the money that you want to be. You may not be in the relationship that you want to be. But use that information and data as a way to kind of self-propel you to what you actually want and desire. To also kind of stop you from self-sabotaging and letting God do His miracles in your life. Trusting in Him, not having fear. They say in the Bible, even though I'm not a huge Bible reader, I come from a Christian background. In the Bible it says, God says do not fear 356 times. That means every day He tells you not to fear. Not to fear when you're losing, things are gonna get good. Not to fear when you're winning, that even if you lose it, you will still be okay as a human being. And that's the art of forgiveness, the art of learning to lose with grace. Is being able to see the mistakes and let them propel you to be a better person, and understanding yourself, your mindset, and what you're trying to achieve. Yep. Okay, it's about 1:40. We're just waiting for 2 o'clock to hit. Let's just extend this and extend this here too. These are the areas of support and resistance.
YouTube Premium is ad-free YouTube and the YouTube Music app all together.
Okay. As we saw, price is selling and is continuing to sell, but it's failing to break our area of support and resistance, but it is still haven't been determined yet. Another thing, the world is a reflection of who you are internally. And if you have issues with finding peace, issues with keeping peace, that means you are not also a peaceful person deep down inside. If you have issues with failing, if you have issues with failing, if you have issues with becoming a better person, or failing to see what everything truly is for what it actually is, you also have an issue with your self-view. If you can't forgive yourself, you will not be able to forgive someone else. If you can't love yourself, you will not be able to pour into someone else and love them. If you can't celebrate your own wins, you will not be able to celebrate someone else's wins. sorry, my stream just said that it just disconnected. You will not be able to see yourself. The world is a true reflection of who you are internally. If you see abundance and love everywhere, that means you're an abundant person. If you see love everywhere, that means you're a loving person. If you see kindness everywhere, that means you're a kind person. And the world reflects what you are internally, even though you might not recognize it, but that's the truth. Regardless if you're a pastor, regardless if you're a millionaire, regardless if you're a billionaire, regardless if you're in a loving relationship, your internal metrics, the you inside, if the you inside doesn't feel those love, doesn't feel that grace, doesn't feel that protection, even if things go your way and you're in a good spot in life, you will not recognize it. You will self-sabotage it, because to you mentally, life is a reflection of what's outside. For example, yesterday I was in a good trade. Due to my internal metrics of how I was feeling that day, I failed to realize that the trade and the trend is actually in my direction. What I should have done, instead of closing the trade out, is added on positions to increase the amount of money I'd make from that day. God gave me what I wanted, which was a winning trade, but I self-sabotaged that winning trade. I'm the one who took his blessings out before they could actually work. That's why I'm saying life is an internal reflection of who you are. Same as the charts, same as the markets, bruh. If you're not being profitable, there's a reason. And as you work on those things, you're working on profitability, working on developing yourself in life, you will learn those mistakes you've been doing, and if you're accountable, you will try to better yourself. I'm so deep today, peeps, I don't wanna lie. Today I am deep. I'm feeling like TD Jakes, boys, giving y'all words of wisdom. As you can see, we're about to hit 2 o'clock. And based off the 714 method, what does it say? That at 2 o'clock, price does opposite of what the market has been doing. Our price here, our entry price, it has been below our entry price. So what we're looking for, we're going to be looking for that buy on a lower time frame. Okay. Abazi lutho indungi vulele. Another thing, guys, I'm gonna tell you this, né? Self-development is key. You see, the version you see right now in front of you is not the version that I was a month ago. It's not the version of me that I was 2 years ago. And if I was someone who holds grudges, and someone who was afraid to lose, and someone who didn't want to develop, I would have stayed stuck in the area where I was not performing greatly. But since I'm a person who believes in self-development more than anything, I view the issues I face, I view the trials and tribulations that I face as data, as information that I should use in order to propel me to the next stage of life. If I'm in a relationship and I don't like the way the person is showing up for me, I don't like the way the way that I'm experiencing the love from that person, that means it is data and information. That means I should either look at myself internally, what's making me feel not loved. B, the person who I'm with is not the right person for me, and I should be loved in somewhere else, or I should be loved by someone who appreciates me more. Today I'm feeling so mellow, people. I'm super mellow today. I'm usually hyperactive and have a lot of energy, and just a person who's like always on the go. But today I'm kind of mellow. I'm relaxed. I'm peaceful, bro. I'm very peaceful today. Or is it maybe the topic that we're talking about today that's making me feel that way? Okay, we are about to log into our smaller time frame. Yeah, bro. Kanivule nigela bokoko. Okay, I'm entering for a buy now. Let's just wait a little. Ningenze ngibe mkhulu nami, ngize ngifane namajuba ndibe nare.
Kangiphilise nendaweni ezinca bese kuvulisa ngoba lapha.
Okay, we're targeting a 50 pip.
Kanindenze ndibe mkhulu nami, indize ngifane namajuba ndibe nare. Kangiphilise nendaweni ezinca bese kuvulisa
targeting yes 50 pips.
Asebona ngathi kubaliwe bulani madoda. Unangize ngicele emsamo ngikele ngomzimba wetentela ngeke magogo. Aya ngeke kulungile.
We're kind of impatient there, hey? Hopefully we'll survive
Asebona ngathi kubaliwe bulani madoda.
Unangize ngicele emsamo ngikele ngomzimba wetentela ngeke magogo.
Iyala ngame bulani. Kaloku nithembisile ukuta ndisose ndibhale. Kaloku nithembisile bulani. Kaloku nithembisile ukuba ngeke ndibhale. Kaloku nithembisile bulani. Kaloku nithembisile ukuta ndisose ndibhale. Kaloku nithembisile bulani.
Another tip in trading, bro. Please determine the amount of money you want to lose in a day. So have daily targets, have weekly targets, have targets which you want to hit. And that's my best advice for you. In trading, have targets, for example, like today I want to make 100 rand. Have targets like today at the end of the week I want to make 500 rand. Have targets like, okay, the amount of money I can lose today is 200 rand. The amount of money that I'm willing to risk is 80 rand. And that will kind of help you in keeping and staying profitable and protecting the capital. The name of the game in trading is to keep yourself in the game for as long enough for the edge that you're trading or the strategy to work in your favor. That's why most people don't say, most mentors and people who are teaching trading, even myself, I say don't over leverage, don't revenge trade. The moment you do those things, basically you are, what can I say, you are losing your capital, you are throwing it away. It's basically telling the market, take my money here, you can take my money. And those are the tips, 3 tips that I'm gonna have for you today to kind of help you be profitable, that has helped me to stay profitable. 1, determine your targets, how much you want to make, how much money you want to lose, what's the end goal. Number 2, your psychology. Work on yourself, work on your mindset. When you're in a winning trade, when you're in a losing trade, how do you analyze? Number 3, work on yourself. Psychology is not enough. If all the hope you have in life will come from the charts, you will end up overdoing it. Because the moment you feel or you hit a loss, you feel as if that life is not looking out for you. Have a life outside of trading. Those are the 3 tips I'm going to tell you. 1, determine your targets, your losses, how much money you want to lose in a day. Your targets, how much money you want to make in a day. Number 2, determine your psychology. Learn yourself, learn your mindset. What makes me not profitable? Number 3, build a life outside of trading. You can't sit on the charts 24/7. You're gonna end up being a zombie chart. You're gonna end up being a zombie trader. Build a life outside of trading, which is fulfilling. Go spend time with your friends, go spend time with your family, be a content creator, do something like create a life outside of just making money. Don't determine your value from money or making money. That is something I really struggled with because I really love money. Those 3 tips have really helped me to stay profitable and become successful as a trader. Okay, as I said, we're a bit early in the market. Okay, 2 minutes in till we see how the market is going. I really want you to take these tips that I'm giving you out now and try to apply them in your life. You're not going to be perfect as you're trying to develop the skill, as you're trying to build yourself. You're not going to be perfect, but it will kind of help you to work towards that goal of being successful in life. It will kind of help you towards developing yourself mentally, physically, spiritually, and as a human being. Because at the end of the day, no matter how much money you make, you die, you leave it. No matter all the accolades you have, the awards, you are the best at this, you will die and someone will come take your position. That's the simple thing. Don't forget, in life you are just here to experience life, experience being alive, experience the world that God has created for us. We're here to develop our souls, to become better human beings, to become examples for others, to inspire others, to learn from others' mistakes and help each other as the children of God and the universe to become better. The soul lives forever. The time you spend here on earth is only this much. And in fact, you don't even determine your own time. So yeah. I'm gonna place another trade. It's 2 o'clock now. 3. Oh no, place another trade. Okay, I just wanna minimize. No. liquidity. I just entered the markets, as y'all can see. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Let's just switch to the other accounts. We've placed our trades here. Okay, I'm placing my buy also here. One lot size. No. 0 1. Okay. Buying. We're minimizing. We're targeting. Targeting 100 pips. Okay, we're minimizing. We're going lower. We're setting our SL. On the prop firm, I'd like to open up my risk a little, because the capital there, it allows me to be able to open up my risk. Okay. Let's see. I'm down here. Let's go to the small accounts and see, are we winning or are we losing? Okay, we're still being choppy. It might look as if price will continue for a lower price, going down. W714 method in the chat, peeps. Let's see how things are gonna go. Selling momentum might be too much and price might just continue to go lower. Okay. Seems as if it's starting to respect it. If price comes to this area, like I said, our TPs. These are TPs. Okay, if price breaks this area, I'm placing for another buy. Let's see how things are gonna go. On the 15 minutes, we just entered our 2 trades using the 714 method. Okay. We're still on a long-term trend for a sell, but today we're just using the 714 method, and it's gonna help determine what amount. Okay. I'm okay with that and my level of risk. Today I'm only willing to risk 160 rand. That's how much money I'm willing to risk on the charts today. So if price does go more than 160 rand, I'm out of the trade. My stop losses take me out. But if you are winning, I'm planning to add another position to go higher and take advantage of that liquidity that might have just entered the markets. Okay. Let's see how it goes.
You're watching a toothbrush play Billie Eilish. But did you know there's a YouTube music app where you can also...
Skip. What song gonna play? Ipupo, The Dream. Okay. Seems if price is failing. Let's see. Seems the sell-side momentum is very high today. Okay, price just broke our area. It might be looking to continue going higher or not. Let's just see. As y'all can see, the 1 minute chart is very volatile. Just look at it to look at the volatility of the markets. Nothing more. Trading is as much a game about patience more than it is a game about making money. And you need to learn to be patient. And it's something I'm really struggling with, but I'm working on a daily basis. Being able to just sit down and let the charts move. Being patient, waiting for your setup. As y'all see on my first trade, I kind of entered in a bit too early. That's the impatience part coming in. You gotta learn to be patient. Just wait. Don't tatazel, just wait, calm down. Okay, seems as if price is continuing higher. Let's see on the 5 minutes. Hey.
Noma bengibiza umanzini ungekho lutho emqondweni mele ngivume kuze zonke indaba zezwe zingithule.
Okay, price is failing in this area. So break it came, liquidated, went up higher. This might be a trend continuation for a sell. Might not be, but we trust in the strategy. Hey. Price is really consolidating at this area, dog. I don't wanna lie, but that's just on a lower time frame. On a high time frame, price is still selling. Let's just see. Hey, boo. 9 minutes into the trade. Let's see how things are going. Price is spiking up. Just went to our entry area. The question is it close above this area? That's the question we're looking for, and that's the question we're waiting to see. Let's see.
Noma bengibiza umanzini ungekho lutho emqondweni mele ngivume kuze zonke indaba zezwe zingithule.
Okay.
Ena mina ndinembuzo emini insuku zizimo ezinzima zingangiphelele.
Price is starting to reverse at around 10 minutes past 2 o'clock after we entered our trade. 10 minutes into our trade. It's going to our direction. Like I said, I'm waiting for price to break this area. Close above it, I'll be adding on another position. Okay, price broke that area. We're buying. Right here. Set our SL. 50 pips. Yes. As you can see, price is buying. We're up 170 rand. 200. I like to put them all in one cluster. $210. 300. Okay. Go higher, baby. Okay. What are we doing? Do we close the trade or do we let it run? As you said, patience is key. Just let it run, dog. Let that shit run. Let that shit run. That's how much? That's 50 pips. That's 90 pips. That's 100 pips. Okay. We're at 230 rand. Okay, we're at 300. It's at our area. Let it take us out to 400. Done. We done. We traded today. P&L going to our. Okay. Jumping into this one. It took us out. We made $100. Successful trading day, people, today. Very successful trading day. We hit our targets. We hit the money. And we're out. Simple as that. Very simple. As y'all saw, you analyze, place a trade. W714 method in the chat. Reach out today because the 714 method closed at 400 rand profits. And price probably is going to continue to go higher and higher. But we're done. We're not greedy. We're done for the day. How much money we made here today? 160, 170, 100 rand. So we probably made like 300 and something rand today, which is very, very good. Okay, people, thank you for joining my stream today. Hope y'all liked it. Hope y'all take the tips and tricks to kind of help y'all to be profitable traders. As y'all see, no lies, I'm living the life that I'm portraying. Basically, guys, go get your dreams. Go out there, be successful, fight for your dreams. Don't stop for nobody. Don't listen to what they say, because at the end of the day, God is not an evil person to put a dream inside you that he knows you cannot achieve. Follow your heart, follow your dreams. Bro, things will always work out at the end. Thank you for staying tuned today. It is me, 2khulu Ningi, and it was really nice having y'all on my stream today. And thank you to a very successful day. It's your boy here, 2khulu Ningi. Hope y'all all the grace in life. Wish you all the best, success, love, prosperity, everything. And we signing out. Peace, baby.